Week 9 homework.
All right, make sure you write your name at the top. Nothing would be more tragic than doing all the work and not getting the credit. Okay? All right, make sure you also put your student number. And believe it or not, this is not just used by Graham, but also by Crittenden. So shout out to both schools. All right, so day 1, complete each table. Use the constant of proportionality, Captain K, okay, to write the equation y equals k times x. Now, if you remember, we said an equation is just the middle school way of saying pattern. Pattern. The only thing we're going to change is x, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and instead of writing y equals k times x, I'm going to put on the line here y equals some number, kickball, or times x, y equals some number times x, y equals some number times x, okay? All right, first, cover up one side. I like to do one thing at a time, and I think most kids do too. So, what are we counting by? Blank, 6, 9, 12?
3.
Good job.
3.
Get it, mathematicians. So let's put 15, and what did they start with?
3. Wait, what? 3.
Muy bien. Aplauso. All right, never mind. All right, now put your hand on it, cover it up. What are they counting by each time?
1.
They are counting by 1. So 1, 2, 3,
Go Diddy.
4, 5. Done.
Go Diddy.
Thank you. All right, now, in order to figure out Captain K, or the box, what are we multiplying by to go from the little number to the big number?
3.
3. Tres. Or in German, drei. English, 3. In French, trois. Okay. All right. Trois in French. Okay. Now, cover it up. Here we go. 10, 20, 30,
40.
40.
By 10.
Counting by tens. Very good. Thanks for coming to school today. All right. Now, cover it up. 2, 4, 6, 8.
10.
Get it.
2.
Who do you appreciate? Mata. Okay, stop, Diddy. All right.
What?
I don't get out much. It's fine. All right. 10 times what would give you 50?
5.
Good job. 5. So what are we going to put in the box?
5. Times
5. Which means if you take this itty-bitty x, multiply by 5, it will give you y. Why? Because Diddy said so. All right. Now let's go here. Cover it up. This is a little bit tougher. And if you're... No, it isn't. It doesn't have to be. Nice hair. Okay.
He looks like Travis Scott.
Shh. Be nice. You look good. All right. 14, 21, 28. What's 7 more?
35.
Great. 35. Okay. Counting by 7s. Cover it up. 2, blank, 4, 5, blank.
3.
Good job. It's just counting by 1s each time. Very good.
But they started from 2, not
Okay.
1.
All right. Now, if you choose the smallest numbers in the table, you're going to cut your work in half. Okay. So 2 times what would give me 14? 2 times?
7.
7. Okay. 7. And if you didn't know, it's Hansi's lucky number.
Really?
Okay. Okay.
7's
7.
my favorite number.
Really?
Yeah.
All right. So let's move along. Read number 2.
Number 2. If the ratio of students getting dropped off in red cars
Beep.
to white cars,
Continue.
in red cars to white cars,
Beep.
is 3 Dippin' Dots 5.
Ooh, good.
Beep.
Beep.
Fill in the table with the missing values.
Okay, sehr good. Now, let's just look at the top. And if you're not sure, choose the ones that are next to each other to figure it out. So, 12 plus what would get me to 15? 3. Good job. 12 plus 3 is 15, right?
Yeah.
Now, instead of going forward, we're now going to go backwards. So, what?
9.
9. And this?
6.
6.
It goes by 3. 3, 6, 9.
You're okay. I kind of like you.
Yeah.
All right. Now, what are we counting by on the bottom?
5.
5s. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay? Really?
25.
All right. If 18 students got dropped off in red cars, beep. Okay? How many students got dropped off in white cars?
Beep.
Beep. Beep. Okay. So, we're going to have to look up in the table and think about what could we add together just on that top row to get to 18? What could I add together to get to 18? 3 plus what?
15.
Yes. Do you see that? 3 plus 15 would get me to 18, right? Absolutely. So everybody write down 3 plus 15, I'm glad you came, equals 18, right? Okay. Is that true?
Yes.
You should be skeptical, like, hold on, Diddy, let me think for myself. Now, how many white cars went with the 3 red cars?
5.
5. Excellent job. Okay. Plus, now, you knew where I was headed. How many white cars went with 15 red cars?
25.
25, and you tried to take it a step further.
And it's 30.
Add those, and it is
30.
30.
Very smart.
Great job. Did that seem to make sense?